Hey crypto friends, for those of you who are new to the channel, my name is Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today we are going to be taking a look at the Aptos charts and we're going to see where it might be headed, and we will cover both bullish and bearish scenarios as well, just to simply cover all of the possibilities. Now, for those of you who love trading crypto and would like to try out the same exchange that I use on a regular basis, feel free to go ahead and try out the Blowfin exchange with the link in the video description down below this video. Now, the big reason why I love using Blowfin is because they allow anybody from anywhere to be able to sign up and trade crypto futures. So if you are from the United States and you want to trade crypto futures, you can do it right here on Blowfin. And this is actually where I currently trade all of my crypto futures as well. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and take a look at the Aptos charts. They're not looking very good, to be honest with you. All right. Now, Aptos is obviously a very popular layer 1 chain, obviously, and compared to all the other layer 1 chains out there, it's realistically not doing the best right now as far as, being used and stuff like that. As you guys can clearly see, I've got all of the major layer 1 chains on this daily active addresses chart right here, so you can clearly see which ones are being used the most on a regular basis. As you guys can clearly see at the top here, we have got Tron, Near Protocol, and Solana pretty much taking the lead in overall daily usage here. And towards the bottom, as you guys can clearly see, we have got Aptos near the way bottom, and also towards the way bottom further than that, at the way bottom, we have got, let's see here, we've got what is down there? Okay, so Avalanche is down there, AVAX is down there, and Cardano is down there as well. So Avalanche and Cardano are also not doing very well at all. Actually, Avalanche and Cardano are doing worse than Aptos. So realistically, I mean, Aptos isn't doing too bad. I mean, there's still a lot of daily usage. It's just not as much as the, much larger, bigger chains like, BNB, you've got TON, let's see here, you've got Solana, let's see, you've got Ethereum, obviously, you've got BNB chain, all the other bigger chains out there. All right, so keep that in mind when looking at the price action here, because that honestly says a lot as to what's happening here with the price action. As you guys can clearly see here, we had a long time of consolidation down here, but there still hasn't been any major moves to the upside whatsoever, and I think a lot of that simply has to do with this usage issue that we've got going on right here. There's just simply not many people using Aptos on a regular basis. So as you guys can clearly see on the RSI as well, we've been pretty much in oversold territory way below the 50 neutral area for quite some time now. All right. And the major level that I want to see personally, the major level that I want to see Aptos reach in order to start feeling somewhat bullish again is I want to see Aptos in a bullish scenario. I want to see Aptos, first of all, be able to clear this first 20 period EMA right up here, and then reach this resistance area right here that we created back here in April of 2024. I want to see it clear this level of $7.25 and then clear this 50 period EMA, because that'll start to give me good confidence that we've got some strong momentum starting to show back up, and we could eventually gain momentum to get up to this layer right here at $10.39, pretty much $10.40. This is kind of the major level that I want to see Aptos reach before I start to feel extremely bullish on it again and start to feel like it's got a chance to get up towards $19.31 again. All right. Now, I can't tell you when that's going to happen because I'm not a magician and I cannot see the future, and I don't like to give price predictions because I'm not a fortune teller. I can't tell you what the price is going to be in the future. Nobody can. All right. This is just a technical analysis video and just going through the charts and seeing what is happening with the current price action. All right. Now, if something stupid were to happen in the altcoin market, and let's say the overall total 3 altcoin market ends up dropping even more to one of these lower levels of support down here, we can fully expect that Aptos may end up dropping even more. People may start selling even more. And if it does continue to drop anymore, I don't have any support levels marked out further than this $5.17 level, mainly because when I go back, the biggest level that we've got down here is right around here at $4.73. And I know it does go lower, but I mean, realistically, it's going to be really hard for me personally to see this thing drop any lower than that. All right. So overall here, in a bullish scenario, I want to see it reach this $10.40 area before I start to feel personally extremely bullish on it, especially since the overall usage of Aptos is not looking good, very good right now in comparison to all the other major layer 1 chains. All right. So guys, before I go ahead and wrap up this video, if you feel like you got some decent value out of it, please make sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the like button below the video, and leave me a comment below on your personal thoughts on where you think the price of Aptos is going to go here in the short to midterm. And hey, for those of you guys who stuck around and watched this entire video throughout the whole thing, thank you guys very much. I appreciate you guys very much, and I hope to see all of you in my future videos.